This is MyCityMKE, our third edition and our first neighborhood tour, little buddy. See that building right there?
Yep.
What is it?
The water tower.
It is Milwaukee's water tower. It has been around for more than a century. Now, do you understand what a water tower really is?
It helps the water system, like a water plant?
It's not necessarily a water plant in itself, but what it does is it stores water that's been cleaned from the various locations along the lake where they have different filtration plants. And back when they built this thing in the 1800s, as a matter of fact, they used to use steam to power the engines that delivered all that water from by the lake all the way up to the top. And it's higher than the land around it.
Yeah.
That way it could then filter down into people's homes through the water pipe system, and people could have clean water whenever they need it, because a water tower always has to be higher than the buildings around it for it to work. Now this building, we've taken you to the Chicago water tower, haven't we?
Yes.
Notice how much taller it is? We got a taller water tower than Chicago's.
Wow.
Little buddy, the building across the street's kind of an important one here on Milwaukee's east side. You know why? Columbia Hospital. In one of those rooms, you were born.
Yeah, I knew that. I was just kidding.
You were just this little peanut that Mommy gave birth to. So special. This building right here is the original St. Mary's Hospital. Again, it's been around for about a century or so, and it was the precursor to this entire complex that's been right here along the lakefront. It's taking care of a lot of our family members and countless, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people here in southeastern Wisconsin. This neighborhood, this part of the east side, is filled with a lot of different boutique shops, like this clothing location right here, different pubs like the Axe MKE pub, where you can throw axes and have a beer. And I've heard of no accidents that have actually happened there. We are on Farwell Avenue on Milwaukee's east side. This place has been around for 88 years.
Wow.
Fischer's is a place that is an overnight hangout. It's open 24 hours a day, and it's sort of the diner of Milwaukee's east side. This place is an east side tradition, and we've had so many times when I'd come here just with friends for breakfast or with family members just for a meal. Their breakfasts are out of this world, certainly. We're obviously just trying the chicken tenders and the cheese curds, but there is so much more to this place. It's one of those traditional diners that is the anchor of a neighborhood, as it is here on the east side.
I like them.
But this is one of truly, bad pun here, the landmarks of Milwaukee's east side here along North Avenue. A city that loves bowling. This is one of the best places to do a landmark bowl. Got a chance. Woo! Some days you have it, some days you don't. Wasn't your best day? Well, it was all right. But it's more about the fun than about what you score for us. This place has been around seemingly forever. It's part of Milwaukee's long-time bowling tradition in this city. And it's hidden in this basement of an old historic building with a pretty interesting theater next door. This is one of the old school theaters of Milwaukee, the Oriental Theater. It's been here since at least the 30s. This is what movie houses used to look like so long ago. Ian's Pizza has been part of the East Side now for a few years. It is not your typical pizza place. Think of some of the craziest flavors you could put on a pizza. What do you think of?
Pineapple and strawberries.
Well, they don't necessarily have that, but
Pineapple and carrots.
let's just see what they got.
Okay.
We get Ian's all the time at the office. I'm a huge fan of their mac and cheese pizzas, a few other flavors. Our favorite video commenter, MoonSword11, is always trying to push us to get vegan cuisine.
Yes.
This is the place to get it. In fact, it's one of her favorite places, Beans and Barley. I took your mommy for our second day dating for lunch here.
Nice.
Final stop as the sun sets on our North Avenue neighborhood tour. We're heading to a place where the original Pizza Man restaurant that we reviewed on Chickadee Curds used to be located, but it burned down. So we had to go to that new Downer Avenue location instead. But they've rebuilt the site, and beyond having a sushi and poke restaurant, they have a restaurant for cookies. What are your favorite cookies on?
On here?
Yeah.
Chocolate chunk.
Can I get 2 red velvet cookies and a M&M cookie?
I could go for that double chocolate mint, maybe the red velvet. And mommy's gonna love the deluxe s'more. And that is a view of the East North Avenue neighborhood, the one where you were born and where you get great cookies.
Yeah.
So what do we do to have people check out more of our content?
Like, share, subscribe, hit the bat.
Ding,
Ding.
ding, ding. And enjoy these places. Enjoy the city you live in. Don't just sit home and watch videos, even though we love you watching ours, but go and enjoy each other. Enjoy your family, enjoy your friends, enjoy your time together with others.
And enjoy the warm weather.
It is getting warmer finally in Milwaukee.
Yes. It's like 50 degrees for the first time today.
It's now warmer probably by the time you're watching this, but
Yes.
we're filming this in March. For little buddy, I'm Daddy, and how do you say goodbye?
So long from the east side.